here today with an Abercrombie haul. These are products that I got recently when I was in Las Vegas with Sam. We did a lot of shopping, as you can see. That's some of the stuff back there. So I have a few different hauls going up. I have an Abercrombie haul, a Hollister haul, and a Lululemon haul. And one of those, I haven't decided which one yet, is going to have a couple H&M items that I got. So anyways, make sure you are subscribed, that way you don't miss those videos. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick little reference. I am 5'1", very petite, not a lot of curves. I do have big boobs, but that's about it. No hips. My butt is a work in progress. So if you are similar body types, then maybe you will find this helpful. I found so many cute things, so many flattering things. I think a lot of these items that I picked up will actually look great on a ton of different body types, a lot of different heights. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's just get right into the Abercrombie haul. Okay, so this is one thing that I forgot to try on. You guys, I just tried on like four try on hauls. I just filmed, and then, oh, there's Finn. And then I also, with his Frisbee. And I also like kept running downstairs, styling outfits, running downstairs, going out back, taking Instagram photos. So I'm pooped. That's like 2 hours of trying clothes on and off and then running and taking photos. So I did forget one thing, but I thought I'd show you. I do have a picture of this on my Instagram stories highlight reel under Vegas outfits. I did try this on in the Abercrombie store, and just a cute kind of bralette tank top. It does have this little peekaboo under boob kind of feel to it, which I think is kind of sexy, really cute. Something I'd wear like on a date night with Ted, with maybe like a cute blazer or something. I just thought this was super cute, and I got this in a size extra small, but I wanted to share that with you because I forgot to try it on. So I am going to now switch over to a different mode so you guys can see what these look like on. And I did do this a little different. I had a comment on one of my try on hauls asking why I didn't just try them on like this, like from this view, and just stand back here and try clothes on, which I have a couple videos like that. And then a couple of videos where I'm holding it and showing you guys in the mirror. So let me know which style you like better. All of these videos that you will see that are try on hauls that I filmed today will be this format where I'm standing back here and the camera is right here, trying the stuff on for you. So let's get right into the Abercrombie haul. Okay, this tank top is from Abercrombie. So cute. I think I got a little deodorant on there. Don't mind it. This is the olive green. I got it in black and white. Let me show you. It is, well, I guess they have a white. I got the cream. I love it. Do you see? It's like this really pretty ribbed. Super lightweight. I got an extra small in both. Let me grab the black. I just washed it, so let me grab it. Okay, and here is the black. Again, super cozy, super comfy. I got these in an extra small, fit true to size. So they're like the perfect cropped length. I really like these. Okay, the next thing that I got from Abercrombie is this really cute set right here. I posted a picture on Instagram wearing this. It is the most precious girly set ever. Like I love it. Do you see the detail? Little pink leopard print. I got an extra small in both, and they both fit wonderfully. Here is the skirt. I have a bra on under this. This is from Jilly Hicks. It's like a really cute bralette. So super cute, flowy, so girly. Is this not so cute? I wear this without a bra. Obviously, if you need to wear a bra, you can wear pasties. A strapless bra would work. The bralette I'm wearing right now clearly would not, but is this not so cute? I mean, you could probably wear this lower waisted if you really wanted to. I'm not that confident with my stomach situation, so I would wear this high waisted. I just feel like it looks a little bit cuter on me personally, but super cute. You could wear these. I'm 5'1", so I could wear these with sandals, like cute my Tory Burch flip-flops. I could wear it with that. I could wear it with heels, and it would still look super cute. So this is probably one of my favorite things that I bought from Abercrombie. So beautiful. Okay, the next thing from Abercrombie is this super cute top. I got this in a size medium. It's linen, so there's not a lot of stretch to it. Oh, now it feels like there's stretch. I think I tried this, I can't remember if I tried the small or the extra small, but I ended up getting the medium. It does have like adjustable straps. These are a little bit big on me, So I think I'm gonna have to make a new hole for the button. The back has this really cute, like ruched, I don't know what you'd call this, but it makes it very forgiving because the linen itself is not stretchy, but this part is. And I'm pretty sure I tried the small and it was way too small on my boobs. So I just need to fix the straps, but I love the cream color. I know they have it in a few other colors. And then I got these linen pants, which come in a few different colors. This I got in an extra small. I love this pink color. It's like a dusty pink, but it feels really neutral. It doesn't feel like a really bright color. I like to wear them, you know, a little high-waisted. My belly button is like right here. You could wear it lower if you wanted to, I guess, but it'd give you a weird drop crotch. So I would wear these high-waisted. They have pockets. If you are really tall, these are gonna be pretty high-watered on you. But I'm, like I said, 5'1", and these are just an extra small. I don't think they came in a short length. But these are just super cute. You could pair this with so many different tops. It just is, to me, like a really versatile pair of cute linen pants. I also think these are really great for dressing up or dressing down. You could put heels on, a linen blazer. Like I have, let's see if this will look cute. I got this linen blazer at H&M. And it's just kind of similar to the color of my shirt. I don't know if this is gonna look good. I probably wouldn't pair it with this underneath, but so you could easily dress this up with some heels, chunky jewelry, and I just think this would be super cute. Again, I don't know. Oh, actually the white on white looks pretty cute. So I just think this is just a really nice pair of staple spring summer pants. They're lightweight enough that you're not gonna get too hot. They're breathable, you can move around in them. Really cute. All right, and then I picked up 2 makeup items. I did so good, you guys. Well, it's because I placed the most massive Sephora haul, but I did get this, which I do have this on my eyes too. It's this NARS. I was gonna pass on this, the Summer Solstice palette, because I was not impressed with the photos online. Then I saw it in person, and the Vegas Sephora let you actually swatch things. And is this not gorgeous? I have this in my inner corner, and then this one on my lid. That in my crease. These colors are beautiful. So love this. Again, that's what's on my eyes. And then the other colors on my eyes are from the Huda palettes that I showed in that Sephora haul. And then this highlight from Melt. It's the Gold Ore highlight. I have some highlight on right now, but you know, let's just put a little bit more on. It is a little bit, oh, look at that. Ooh, baby. I'm doing a first impressions try on foundation video for this tinted moisturizer. It's very glowy. So if I'm looking a little glowy, it's because of this. So anyways, those were the makeup things I got. I, again, was really, really good because I'd already spent so much money on makeup as it was. I didn't really need to get anything else. Hey guys, that is it for the Abercrombie haul. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. That way you don't miss out on any videos, because I have a lot of try on hauls coming up. I've been doing some shopping. I also have another Abercrombie haul where I tried on a ton of jeans. So make sure you check that out. I will link it up here so you can check that one out too. If you are petite, it's great because they have it in short sizes. But if you are, you know, regular height or tall, they have them in regular and long inseams as well. So it's perfect. They'll fit anybody, but especially if you're short and you kind of struggle trying to find clothes for you, I'm your gal. I have a lot of stuff that I have coming out here pretty soon with styling and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.